In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to UKG Workforce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the correct login page, enter your credentials confidently, and sign in without running into common pitfalls. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official UKG Workforce login page. The quickest way is to search for UKG Workforce login, then select the official result that leads to the UKG domain. You can also go directly to the launch login page if you have the link from your organization. Before you proceed, take a second to verify you're on a secure site. Look for the padlock in the address bar and confirm the web address includes the UKG domain. This helps protect you from phishing pages and ensures your information stays safe. It's a good idea to bookmark the correct login page now so you can get back to it quickly next time. On the login screen, enter your username. This might be your work username or an ID provided by your employer. Type it exactly as given, since some organizations enforce specific formats or case sensitivity. If your company uses a custom company access code or has a unique sign-in portal, make sure you're using those details as instructed internally. Avoid relying on browser autofill if you share your computer, and double check for extra spaces before or after your username, which can cause errors. Next, enter your password. Make sure caps lock isn't on since passwords are case sensitive. If there's a show or hide option, use it to confirm every character is correct, especially if you're copying and pasting from a password manager. If you realize you've forgotten your password or it's expired, use your organization's recovery option on the page or follow your company's reset process. For security, avoid using public Wi-Fi when entering your credentials. When everything looks correct, click Sign In. Give the page a moment to process. Double-clicking can trigger multiple attempts and sometimes lock you out. If your organization requires multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt by following the on-screen instructions. In case you see an error, re-enter your username and password carefully. If the issue persists, it may be a temporary outage or an account-related restriction, and your HR or IT support team can help. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your UKG Workforce dashboard, where you can access schedules, time cards, pay information, and more. When you're finished, remember to sign out, especially on shared or public devices, and uncheck any Remember Me options on computers you don't control. That's it. Your UKG Workforce login, made simple and secure.